Greetings, my name is Brandon Frame and I'm the Senior Director of Social Emotional Learning at the Urban Assembly. And you've been following my journey. I've been going around the country to see high quality social emotional learning in action. And my journeys have brought me to the Bronx, New York, to Bronxdale High School to see how they are prioritizing the social emotional academic development of young people. So let's go inside and check it out. Dr. White, how are you?
I'm well, Brandon. How are you? Good
Awesome.
to see you.
It's good, so good to see you. So I've been on this journey to go around the country to see high quality social emotional learning in action. My journeys have brought me to the Bronx, to Bronxdale, because I heard through the grapevine about the phenomenal high quality social emotional learning that you're doing here at the school. Can you tell me a little bit about what that looks like and how it's going here at Bronxdale?
So thank you for that. We are really proud of the work that our students and staff are doing to create an environment that is safe and affirming for all students. So our SEL journey really started at the beginning of the school, making sure that we created this family feel where students and families know that they are safe and seen here. That looks like creating opportunities for students to work collaboratively, to work on their social skills with their peers, with the adults, and really having that positive relationship between the staff and the students to make sure that everyone feels like they can be their fully and authentic self in their learning environments.
Do you think today, while I'm here, we can go around the school to see the teachers, the staff, the students, to see this high quality social emotional learning in action?
Yeah, I would love for that. You'll see it in the hallways, you'll see it in the classrooms, you'll hear students and staff be able to speak about it, and I'd love to see what they say about their experiences here at Bronxdale.
Awesome, that's exciting. Let's go do it.
I champion social emotional learning because I think it's really important to have a safe and welcoming environment for students, staff, families.
This is the stuff that transcends outside of the classroom, when they enter the workforce, when they enter college. This is stuff that they use outside of this space that will only benefit them in the future.
As a component in education is because there is no way to look at a human being and not consider their social emotional state.
Really like a key component to how I kind of ignite or spark like an emotional attachment to what we're doing in class.
The social emotional skill I'm most proud of is social and self-awareness.
Self-awareness.
Probably say my self-awareness
is self-management.
It's helped me a lot with just myself and creating better relationships with those around me because I understand who I am and what things trigger me and like how I could use what I know about myself to grow as a person.
So here in Bronxdale, SEL is very versatile.
Social emotional learning at Bronxdale looks like a deep sense of community and family.
It's amazing. Like, we have it all over the school.
Period or two before this, I had a little sit down with a couple of teachers and I was really able to talk about my emotions.
I teach social emotional learning explicitly through my advisory class, through activities that students get to pair up with each other, through role play.
A lot of leveling that happens in the dance room. So there's a lot of social awareness that you have to know about other people. There's a lot of self-awareness that you need to know.
So particularly in coaching, there's absolutely no way I'm going to do coaching effectively if I'm not first checking in.
The focus on social emotional learning is that students really feel safe and comfortable and competent tackling tough content areas because they have those additional grit and mindset pieces.
High school students need to learn social emotional skills because none of us are masters at this game called life.
Most of their interactions, most of their relationships outside of high school are going to require self-awareness, they're going to require self-management.
So that they can not just self-manage, but engage with their peers better, engage with the classroom community, engage with the school community better, and engage with content more meaningfully.
Social and emotional skills have helped me in school and my community because it has made me more aware of myself and the people surrounding me
I have to deal with a whole bunch of different personalities and emotions. So just being aware of that and knowing how to maneuver, because each person is different.
My SEL superpower, I would say,
I'm hyper aware.
Self-awareness.
probably self-awareness.
I would say as a social worker, it would be relationship skills.
Something I would say to somebody that will say that they don't need social and emotional learning.
I would say try it out. Like, what's the worst that could happen? Because I'm a living testament of how growing in these skills can help you grow as a person.
The assessments that we've been using and like the DESA and doing everything with that gives staff who maybe don't have my role, it gives them more insight into what each student is facing every day.
I think having those assessments, those benchmarks, and seeing and assessing where students are, over a period of time is essential.
The students I would like to thank are always my 9th graders because I see them grow the most.
I would like to thank Allie.
Destiny.
The students that have given us the most challenge also give us the most reward.
Mr. Nguyen and Miss Amazar.
Miss Marlene, and that is peer group connection here at Bronxdale.
Miss Marlene and Miss Robinson, they've definitely helped me a lot.
He helped me a lot to understand how to manage my emotions.
She definitely pushes me to be better as like a person.
Wow. That was an amazing display of high quality social emotional learning. I'm so excited for the rest of the Bronx, the rest of New York City, and the rest of the country to see how Bronxdale has prioritized social emotional learning, which is contributing to SEL Nation.